Hello students, in this session we will discuss about the study and use of the AND gate by using our PLC. PLC programming we can execute the AND gate. This is our objective. Equipments needed are Scientific 2400 Universal PLC with HMI. This is the PLC kit, and communication cable. It is for program writing, ladder program writing. The written program will be dumped into our PLC from the personal computer. Third is the main code. Main code is nothing but the main supply. So these are the equipments required to write this AND logic and execution. So once again we will look into the AND gate function. AND gate is simply, it will take the two inputs and it will give some output. It will follow the multiplication thing. That means whenever two inputs are high, that time only output will be high. Otherwise, the output will be always low. Or we can say another way, if any input is low, automatically output is low. So that is here. Here, two inputs are 0, then output is 0. One input is high, another input is low, then the output is low. One input is low, another output is high, the output is low. The last case, whenever two inputs are high, that time it will be output. This logic will be designed by our PLC and executed in the PLC. Okay? Thank you.
Hello students. In this session, we will discuss AND logic. We will verify the AND logic by using the PLC. So, in order to operate the PLC, just check in our personal computers. We have two softwares. The first software is supporting software. The software is RX Linux Classic. In this software, you have to go for a communication port in the SCAN. Check your two drivers. First driver is AB Ethernet. Look at the status, it is in running mode. Second driver is DAB Ethernet, running mode. Just whenever two drivers are in running mode, that time data will be transferred from the our personal computer to the PLC, or data will be transferred from the our PLC to the personal computer. Just close it. Just minimize it. Now, in order to write the ladder programming, just open the RS Logix 500 Pro. Just maximize it. Just go for the file, open the new file, and select our processor. Our processor is 1400 series B. This is our processor. Okay. Now, ladder programming space will be open. In this, we have to make it as AND logic, and we have to verify it. For that purpose, just take the two inputs. AND logic is two normally open switches, and you have to take the one output. In the two inputs, just apply, just name it as, I am used toggle switches as input. It is very easy. Just toggle switch 1. Just toggle switch 1 is one input name. Other one is toggle 2. Toggle switch 2. This is the another thing. One has named as 3 in our configuration. Look at here. Toggle switch 3 and 4 is there. Look at here. Toggle switch 3 is 5, toggle switch 4 is 6. 3 is 5, 4 is 6. 5 and 6. No, but our required toggle switch 1 and toggle switch 2. Toggle switch 1 is 3, 2 is 4. Just apply it. This is for toggle switch 1. This is input 1, you have to apply the input as 3. Just select 3, apply to this. So 3 memories represent toggle switch 1. Next input for 2, you have to apply the toggle switch 4. Right. Toggle switch 1 is 3, toggle switch 4. Next, you have to select the output. Output, I will consider the output as the buzzer. Output as the not buzzer. It's better to use the LED. Better to use the LED. First LED I want to use as the, otherwise better to use the buzzer. So I will go for the buzzer. Buzzer sound will represent. So that's why it name it as the buzzer. Look at buzzer is, the buzzer is, output is 0 here. Just for that purpose, I take the output, the 0. Just apply the 0 here. So AND gate, what is AND gate? AND gate is when two inputs are high, then will be output is high. Even any input is 0, output is 0. That's why it must be operated. So this is 3, 4, buzzer is 0. Okay, right. Now we already written the ladder program. This is the inputs, this is the outputs. Just verify the project. Look at here, verify has completed, no errors found. Next, verify the file. Same, verify has completed, no errors found. Next, download our program. Just download our program and give some name. Toggle switches are inputs and we are writing the AND gate logic. So that is our name. Yes, and again then it is asking programming, is asked to download the program. Just yes. Processing generally in remote mode, process must be switched into the program mode. Yes. And here apply channel configuration to online process, don't apply. And okay. Next, change back to run mode. Yes. Do you want to go online? So this programming, if you observe here the object, this object is running and this is all the green symbols. Inputs are in green symbols, rung is also green symbol, output is also green symbol. Now we will verify this AND logic is applied. Inputs are toggle switch 1 and toggle switch 2 and output is buzzer. We will go into the PLC panel, we will verify that. Okay. Already we've written the program in our personal computer. Look at here the program. This is the toggle switch 1 and this is the toggle switch 2 and this is our output and this is in remote run mode. And after that we are entering into our PLC panel board. Look at our PLC panel board. In our PLC panel board, the inputs are already mentioned 2 toggle switches. This is first toggle switch, another one is the second toggle switch. And our output must be buzzer. This is our buzzer. Whenever toggle switches are out, buzzer must be, and it must be in AND logic. What is the AND logic? AND logic represents whenever 2 inputs are high, automatically the output must be high. That means buzzer must be give some sound. Okay. So look at here. Here 2 inputs are low. 2 inputs are low first. There is no buzzer sound. Yes. Next, 2 inputs are, one input is high, another one input is low. Look at here. Yes, this is high, this is low. Is there any buzzer sound? Is there any buzzer sound? No. Next, one input is low, another input is high. Any buzzer sound here? No, nothing. Next, the last input, this must be 2 inputs must be high. Just apply. Now observe the buzzer sound here. So we will get some buzzer sound. So that's why this is our AND logic. That's why this is our AND logic. Look at again, 2 inputs are high, then only output will be given. The output high is represents the buzzer sound. So this is done by applying the program in this here, by applying the program here. Okay, this is our AND logic by using PLC. Okay, so these can be applied for these inputs also, and the IR sensor also, toggle switches also, and you can apply these output, this output, this output. Okay, thank you. This is about the AND logic.